So here's the new gun. It's the Viper G2. The next one up that they have is the Viper Max, which is chambered in 3.5. This is 2 3/4 chambered to 3-inch. So this is the one I wanted and got a good deal on it. So we're going to try it out. The directions say to shoot high-powered brass through it, high velocity 3-inch for the first 20 or so shots, which I guess sets the seats in here and everything. So we're going to run the 3-inch high velocity, and I have some number 5s here. So the first thing I'm going to do is pattern the gun and see what happens. Okay, well, we haven't missed any skeet, so good so far. And it packs quite a wallop with those 3-inch shells, the high velocity number 5s. And don't normally shoot number 5s at skeet, but we're breaking the gun in, so that's what we're doing. Through it. So time to try some target loads. Okay, so here's what we did. We cycled about 20 rounds of high brass 3-inch high velocity through it, like the instructions said to break it in, and we haven't had any trouble with it cycling. Then we ran some 7.5 2 3/4 inch shells through it, about 15 or 20 of those, and we haven't had any problems cycling. The pattern looks good soon, but overall I'm pretty damn pleased with this weapon. 30-inch barrel, mounts right up. May put a shim on it to kick it forward just a little bit, but right now I'm hitting with it, so no complaints. It's a lot of kick with that high brass, but feels good with the lower stuff. This gun only weighs 6.8 pounds, something like that. And I've got the modified choke on it right now. So I do have an improved cylinder with it as well, and a full choke. I like it. Good gun. Good value.